The Ridges is a community of compelling custom homes, some fortunate enough to front onto the renowned Bears Best Golf Course. Hello, I'm Gary Anter, broker of Presenting Vegas. It's my pleasure to present to you 74 Meadowhawk Lane, a home of inviting and generous character. Display treasures from your most recent wine trip in this temperature-controlled cellar. The dining room is a theater for food and wine, while serving to connect living and family rooms. Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances are accompanied by rich wood and exotic stone in the gourmet kitchen, a place to inspire creativity and sharing. Multiple pocketing doors slide smoothly out of sight, seamlessly merging indoor and outdoor living environments into one. The interplay of fire and water casts a spell, conjuring up a magical twilight setting. This covered outdoor kitchen and dining space fosters an atmosphere for casual poolside leisure. An inviting barn door vestibule privately partitions the downstairs master bedroom from the rest of the home, and its luxurious bath exudes an atmosphere of pure tranquility. The cinema is always ready for family movie night. Situated at the front of the home is this quiet study. Board the elevator or take the stairs to find the larger of two master suites, two oversized junior suites, one of two laundry rooms, an art studio, and this uber-comfortable loft. The master suite overlooks a wide expanse of verdant golf fairway, punctuated by majestic pine trees. The master bath and dressing room is a place to be pampered. The retreat extends the footprint and enjoyment of the master bedroom. Each of the upstairs bedrooms enjoys its very own balcony, commanding spectacular views of the mountains, the golf course, and the Las Vegas Strip. The basement features this generous game room, conveniently accompanied by a full wet bar, ideal for game night or any night of the week. This fifth ensuite features a kitchenette. In addition to the ground level garage, this basement level garage accommodates up to 6 vehicles. Thank you for taking time with me, Gary Anter, as we've explored a home truly without compromise in the Ridges. Contact us today for your very own private tour of this spectacular custom masterpiece.